हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are going to show you how you can easily find what to watch on any OTT platform. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is install this app called Friendspire. Stop searching, start finding, and it is available on Google Play Store, so you can install it into your device from there very easily. Friendspire is a simpler way to find and save new favorites. Stop searching, start finding the best movies, TV shows, books, podcasts, food and drink. No more endless scrolling on Netflix or fake reviews from TripAdvisor. So this is what the app looks like. All you have to do first is sign up with your Facebook or Google account. And as we signed up, you can see here, choose your favorite category to start. Let's see, movies, TV shows and books, podcast. I'm gonna select for movies. I wanna see, select your favorite genre, and there are a lot of genres. Okay, I'm gonna select the first 4-5: action, adventure, animation, comedy, crime, drama. Finally, review a movie you love. So here you can select any movie that you have already watched and you want to review, and you can review them right there. So I'm gonna click on the movie, and I have seen this movie actually. So it was like a 7 or an 8. So I'm gonna let's give it 7. Good choice, keep rating. Okay, I'm gonna rate this one as 9. Welcome to find. In this section you find new stuff. Okay, let's see. In memoriam, remembering Sean Connery. Yeah, he died in 2020. And the 𝐂𝐸𝐠𝐻, these are all the movies. These are all the trending movies right here, and Prime Video, Disney Plus, Netflix are also there. You can select these from here. Let's select Netflix and see which movies we get. Holiday, 7.2 rating. Project Power with a 7.2 rating. Outside the Wire with a 7 rating. The Odd Guard. Okay, these are all the movies that are available on Netflix and with their reviews. Now let's see what Disney Plus Hotstar has to offer. And we have Soul with 8.4 rating, Hamilton with 8.6 rating. I'm gonna watch Hamilton. And these are all the trending movies from 1st to like 9th, 10th, recommended by critics. But before that, I want to remind you to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated to our new videos. Now this was all in the find section. Let's see what the add section has. This is add. Use this section when you want to rate stuff, make new list. Let's see. What can we help you with? Make a rating, create a list, and find a friend. But these are all the things that you can do. And this is feed, that heart. So this is like your news feed, like 9 shows to get you ready. Okay, the 10 highest rated movies, all of these things. There's also a save option where you can save the movies that you want to watch for later on. Movies, you can save movies, TV shows, books, podcasts, etc. All the trending books and all the trending podcasts as well. What are the trending podcasts? Nice. In the food and drinks section, you have to share your location with the app so it can find you top rated restaurants around your local area. So these are the explore section, and there's a best rated on the map as well in the people. You can invite people from your Facebook, and these are all the featured users that this app has, and top raters as well. And this is your Friendspire app. It looks pretty good. Let's just try it out and tell us what you feel about it. And with this, we will be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?